Over morning coffee in Calgary, the idea of vaccine passports a hot topic.
I think it's a good idea just for the safety of the general population and also people at risk who aren't able to get the vaccine.
But in Alberta, restricting freedoms, any freedoms, always a tough sell.
I don't think it's right. We've got a freedom of choice. I'm fully vaccinated. That was my freedom. I don't like identifying other people who disagree with me. Let them go.
The official opposition is on board, calling for a passport system to be up and running by the end of the month, criticizing the Premier for dragging his feet.
Alberta is leading the country in cases, and that is because we led the country in recklessness. And, sooner or later, Jason Kenney is going to have to take responsibility for that.
For his part, the Premier hasn't appeared in public in weeks, on vacation as COVID cases spiked, before popping up on Facebook last night, hinting some action on COVID is coming before the end of the week.
And that doesn't mean vaccine passports, in my view, but it means, please, people, if you're not getting vaccinated, please act responsibly.
It's a position that baffles this political watcher.
It's perplexing that he's been silent for so long, and it's also perplexing that he seems to be focusing on a strategy to please the anti-vaxxers.
And there are worries this fourth wave could soon overwhelm Alberta's healthcare system.
We are tired of it, but the reality is we will get there, and we will, exceed hospital capacity in the coming weeks unless something changes.
But as COVID cases continue to surge, Albertans continue to wait for something, anything from a government missing in action for weeks. Aaron Collins, CBC News, Calgary.